In this tutorial, we will demonstrate elevation modeling with the IPS elevation module, or EL in short. The EL module works in two distinct modes: sparse DTM, which produces a general elevation layer very quickly, under 1 second per image, and dense DTM, which produces a high-density, detailed elevation model. To create an elevation model, you will need an accurate photogrammetric model and input files derived from the match process. Open a project and select the images on which the elevation module will be based. Open the DTM window and set the desired DTM mode, either sparse or dense. Next, set the spacing parameter. We recommend that you define this parameter as 100 times the ground resolution in which the images were captured. Press Run to create the DTM. The EL workflow has several stages. First, the DTM area is divided into grid cells according to the spacing parameter. Next, each grid cell is assigned an appropriate height value, which is calculated using various statistical techniques and parameters. We recommend adjusting the following parameters according to the desired outputs: DTM cell percentile, set the value between 40 and 60% for surface models, or 20 to 40% for bare earth models. Force percentile filter, set the value between 40 and 50% to represent 3D structures, or 10 to 20% in order to better represent the terrain. Force percentile size, set a low value 5 or less to maintain the maximum amount of information, or increase the value to reduce the effects of noise. Finally, a Gaussian filter is run to produce a smoother output. The output DTM is created in raster, LAS, or XYZ file format. Add the raster file to the GeoViewer, adjust its rendering properties, and then enable Track DTM. Pan across the DTM area to see the elevation values change according to the current cursor location. Our test area is very small, so we've created a dense DTM with spacing of 5 meters to show the difference between sparse and dense DTM. Here we see the sparse and here's the dense. You can clearly notice the difference in details.